Wife vs. TV, Part 1. Hello friends. Here is another humorous and smiling piece about the comparison between wives and TVs. In my opinion, there is no significant difference between TVs and wives, as both talk a lot without being seen, heard, or understood. However, if we analyze this comparison in detail, many interesting and contradictory aspects emerge. For example, a TV has both picture and sound, and a button to control the volume. In contrast, a wife only has one voice, and there is no button to control her volume. Therefore, her voice can be heard clearly throughout the neighborhood without the need for a loudspeaker. In the old days, there was only one TV in the entire neighborhood, and people used to watch it together with great enthusiasm, similar to welcoming a new bride. Nowadays, every room has a TV, but there is usually only one wife in the house. The old TVs were like a box, and to turn them off, one had to close a shutter. However, turning off a wife is not as simple. It may require putting tape on her mouth. TVs come in various colors, sizes, and models, and they can be changed. In contrast, a wife's color, size, and model, once chosen, are usually unchangeable. If a TV program is not liked, it can be changed immediately, but there is no such system for a wife. TVs come with a warranty, but there is no warranty for a wife. She might start giving a headache from the first day of marriage. A TV can be lifted by one person if it is lightweight, but lifting a wife after marriage may sometimes require a crane to lift. Watching TV, a person learns and understands a lot, while watching a wife results in headaches and a diminished sense of reason and consciousness. If a TV breaks, it can be repaired, but a wife's parts, especially the brain, are irreplaceable and unrepairable. TVs can be turned off when one is tired of watching, but stopping a wife from talking and seeing requires a different level of effort, and it may lead to ear and eye problems. While a TV remains the same size, a wife's waistline may change in a short period. If a TV gets dirty, it can be cleaned with a cloth, but if makeup smears on a wife's face and is white, she might get upset. Nowadays, people have hundreds of channels to watch on TV, but a wife manages with only 3: complaints, demands, and ingratitude. TV runs on electricity, but a wife keeps running even without electricity. TVs, being silent, accept everything the person says, but some wives are so stubborn and argumentative that they insist on their own point of views by putting a finger on the throat. Even though TVs sometimes stop working due to power outages, a wife never stops nagging. TV is the poor speechless one, agrees with everything the human says. However, some wives are so stubborn and adamant that they insist on having their own way, putting their feet up and holding their chin high, always getting their point across. In a household with a TV, cable or dish, various channels come in. On the other hand, a wife manages without any cable or antenna, providing news from around the world. If there's a glitch in TV broadcasts, it is quickly resolved, but if there's a glitch in the wife's mind, it takes weeks to resolve, causing similar glitches in the husband's mind, leading to a dramatic fighting conclusion. Friends, nowadays, every room of a house needs a TV, but every room cannot own a wife. Friends, when a daughter addicted to dramas is not given a plasma-colored TV in her dowry, she refuses to cross the threshold of the house. Instead, conditions in the marriage contract may specify a 50-inch plasma-colored TV. Because if there's no TV at home, the wife will end up watching the neighbor's drama every evening, the husband will be changing diapers, and dinner will be ordered from an outside hotel. Wives nowadays are so enthusiastic about TV that instead of chanting prayers, the whole 9 months before giving birth, they spend all their time in front of the TV. The result is children born as TV enthusiasts who need to watch TV even for feeding, changing, and entertaining. Ha ha ha. Dear friends. Although it seems that both wives and TV are causing harm, they are equally necessary for the house. A couple went to a sage to seek advice on their troubled and chaotic household. After listening to all the issues, the sage gave one simple piece of advice: remove the TV from the house, and everything will be fine. So, if you are also troubled by domestic expenses, disputes, daily fights, and other household matters, get rid of the TV, not the wife. And keep learning. Friends, by the way, tell me, is it possible nowadays to remove the TV from house? Or can you dare to throw out the wife from the house? Please comment, thanks. The wife and TV is still going on. Please also watch ahead the part 2 of this video. Thanks, and bye.